Hi Andrew, I have the same issue with D5 error code.
Worcester Greenstar Cdi SE or D5 fault code. This is not a fault code. Hence why you cannot find it in the service and installation book. This is a special feature of some Worcester CDi boilers. It is actually a reminder that the boiler requires a service based on burner hours. To reset the code, follow these steps. Press and hold spanner button until it becomes orange. Press and hold eco button until 5A displays CS. Press and release eco button. Press and release CS. Hold until brackets appear, then release, then press spanner button. If it continues to do this, I would suggest servicing the boiler and especially cleaning the burner. I hope this answers your question.
Hi Andrew, I also found that on Google. However, read a Worcester manual that said D5 was a condensate float switch on condensate pump defective. Also, there is no CS button, and when I hold eco button, nothing happens.
Okay, does your pump have lights on? It should have a red and a green light.
There are no lights on the pump. The pump sounds a lot louder than usual though.
Okay, when the D5 error comes up, what lights do you get on the front of the boiler? When?
No lights other than the flashing D5 error message.
If it was a problem with the condensate pump, you should get fault lights when you get the D5 error. When was the last time you had the boiler serviced?
Not for a few years. The only thing I can see is that the plastic pipe leading from the pump to the waste disposal pipe seems very clogged.
You can try striping and cleaning, but you normally get flashing lights if there is a problem with the pump.
Okay, should I switch it off in the meantime?
Not really, unless you need to. The D5 error will stop it firing up.
Okay, thanks for your help.
Come back if you get stuck.
Hi Andrew, I cleaned the pipe and all looks good for now. Thanks for your help.
Great news.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.